Today, we're unlocking the secrets to a perfect site survey, a critical step that can make or break any construction project. But we're not just here to tell you how to do it. We're diving into how to do it better, faster, and safer. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get it right the first time, saving time, money, and headaches. Stick around because these pro tips come straight from the trenches of experience and are designed to give you the edge on site. Let's start with preparation. Before you even think about setting up equipment, get your hands on the project requirements, blueprints, plans, and specifications. These are your guides, your foundation. Now here's where the pros stand apart. Do a quick reconnaissance of the site. Walk the area, take note of the terrain, vegetation, or anything that could cause issues. This small step can save hours down the road. And remember, don't skip securing permissions. Always follow the codes and regulations. Pro tip: use drones or mapping apps during your walkthrough to get a bird's eye view of the site, especially if it's large or uneven. It's a game changer for spotting potential problems early. Next, it's time to set up your gear. Think of this as laying the foundation for your survey. Your tools, be it total stations, levels, or GPS, should be tailored to the terrain. But here's the hack: always calibrate your instruments. An uncalibrated total station is like a misaligned compass. It's useless. Start by marking a clear benchmark, a reference point that will guide the entire survey. Safety tip: keep the area clear of traffic and distractions while setting up. And for efficiency, label your equipment and prep backups to avoid downtime in case of glitches. Once your equipment is ready, you'll need control points. These are the anchors of your survey. Use GPS or a total station to establish them accurately. A seasoned surveyor knows that double-checking these points can save days of rework. Here's a time saver: invest in modern GPS devices with automatic logging features. They'll cut your setup time in half while improving accuracy. And don't forget to document everything meticulously. Those notes could save you from costly mistakes later. Now on to data collection, the meat of the job. Use your theodolite or GPS to measure angles and distances. Make sure to record every detail, elevations, contours, and even the smallest features like tree stumps or fences. Trust me, the smallest oversight can become the biggest problem. Here's a tip: work in teams. One person handles the instrument while another records data. It's faster, more accurate, and keeps everyone focused on their tasks. The real magic lies in cross-verification. This is where you catch mistakes before they snowball into disasters. Repeat your critical measurements and compare them to known benchmarks. Use modern surveying software to identify discrepancies in real time. Yes, it's extra work, but it's worth it. Here's a hack: schedule cross-verification as you go, not at the end. It's far easier to fix errors mid-survey than days later. Data processing is where all your hard work pays off. Transfer your data into CAD or GIS software to create maps, layouts, or 3D models. It's not just about accuracy, it's about presentation. Clean, professional results build trust with clients and stakeholders. Pro tip: use templates in your software to speed up the process without sacrificing quality. Finally, it's time to stake out the site. This is where you bring the designs to life, marking foundations, boundaries, and other critical points. Use color-coded stakes or paint for clarity. Safety hack: use reflective markers for night or low visibility work. And before you call it a day, do one last round of checks to ensure everything matches the design. So there you have it, the roadmap to a flawless site survey. From preparation to the final checks, it's all about attention to detail and using the right tools for the job. With these tips, you're not just surveying, you're building confidence, saving money, and paving the way for a successful project. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And hey, check out our other videos for more pro insights and construction hacks. See you next time, buddies.